Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Bulgur. Fill with water. Add salt and cook until done. I grate the onion on the big holes of the grater. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. Take 400 grams, 1 pound, of ground pork and 400 grams, 1 pound, of ground chicken. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add dried garlic and dried thyme. Add paprika and dried marjoram. Add grated onion to the minced meat. Mix it well. Cut up 200 grams, about 7 ounces, of mozzarella. This recipe is super simple. I'll show you every step. Follow my lead and it'll turn out great. I put pieces of cheese on skewers. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. I dip my hands in the water. Take some minced meat. I form a large cheese-stuffed schnitzel on a skewer. I wrap the patty in bacon. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Put it on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Bacon provides energy and adds a satisfying flavor while supplying protein. Please subscribe to my channel. Drizzle it with olive oil. I put it in the oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. Half a red onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Chop the shallot. Butter and vegetable oil. Sauté the red onion and shallot. One carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and support eye health. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Add the carrot to the onions. Tomato. Tomatoes contain vitamins, antioxidants, lycopene, support heart health, and immunity. Tomatoes high in lycopene and vitamin C boost immunity, protect the heart, and reduce inflammation. You can find all the ingredients for this recipe in the description below the video. Add the tomato to the other vegetables. Add salt and black pepper. Have you tried my recipes yet? Did you enjoy them? Let me know what you think. Your feedback means a lot. Add the cooked bulgur. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Lemon juice. Add smoked paprika. Add salt and black pepper. Add a spoonful of honey. Add a spoonful of balsamic sauce. I mix well. It's time to take the patties out of the oven. Grease cutlets with honey marinade. Bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit 240 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add white sesame seeds. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. Looks super juicy and tasty. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.